Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through how to install Google Chrome on Windows operating system, right? Because what basically happened is, like, let's say sometime when we have some student, and they are just like kind of really new, and sometimes they don't really know how to install Google Chrome, right? Because they might be using other browser out there and we kind of like to use Google Chrome. And that is why we basically that's why we designed this video to kind of show them how to install Google Chrome. If you go ahead here and kind of click on this little onboarding, and this is like part of our onboarding process, right? And if you click on this onboarding here, it is going to open just a Google page where it will basically ask me to download Google Chrome. And if you just hit on the download button, it's going to, if I am on Mac, it will basically show me the Mac page. If you're on Windows, that will be Windows 1. If you click on this, as you guys can see, it is downloading something here called the Chrome setup.ext. And when that is done, it's going to move that into your download folder. And let me close. I have some tabs here open. Make sure that I close everything here, and I'm going to navigate into my download folder. If you click here, this is my download folder, and I kind of have that Chrome setup, right? When you download this package, to install that, it is a very straightforward process. I have that already installed, but if you want to install that, it is really simple. You just double click on that and it's going to prompt you. Do you really want to do that? You say yes. And when you tap yes, it will download this, and you can just go ahead now and follow the steps, right? You just follow the step and download. Take everything as default. There is nothing that you have to modify. You will not modify anything here. And when it's done, it will go ahead and install that automatically. I'm not going to install that. I will just go ahead and cancel, even install it, right? But if you don't want, you don't install that. And if you just go to your if you go to your desktop now, you'll be able to find the Google Chrome here. Let's say you install and you're not able to find that. Just pull up your search bar here and type Google, and you will see Google Chrome right here. You can right click on that and you just say open the file location, and boom, it is going to open exactly where Google is installed, and you can copy this thing and put it on your desktop just by right clicking, and you just say copy and you paste the shortcut on your desktop, so that every time that you want to open Google Chrome, you can just double click on the shortcut here on your desktop, and you will not be going through the search bar here and you look for Google, right? And look for Google Chrome and click on that to open, as you guys are seeing here. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do so that you'll be notified when we publish a new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.